Okay, I'm gonna do Aimee, Mann, Wise Up. You may recognize it by the chorus. It's not going to stop. The song is called Wise Up, but you can call it whatever you want. Get a little hum going here. The song starts on the D, and I'm going to show you some ways, like if bar chords are not your thing, the ways, alternative ways to play it. But basically what she's doing is, she's not doing it exactly like this, but she's barring the 5th fret with her index up to string 5. And then on the 7th fret on strings 2 and 3, she's using her pinky and ring finger to fret those strings, 2 and 3. And then for the next part of that riff, she just raises them up to strings 4 and 3. Now if you don't do bar chords, you can just play the regular D. You don't have to do the sus thing at all. But if you want to, you could take your middle finger off. Something like that. Or alternatively, you could take your index finger off. Put it back on. So, anyways, that's it's just a D major going to a D sus, or then it goes to B minor, goes to G, back to D, and B minor is the relative minor of D. So when you're going, when you're playing in the key of D, you oftentimes are gonna find a B minor key in there, B minor chord. If you don't play bar chords, just take your A minor. You can slide it up to the 3rd fret, where your index finger is on the 3rd fret. So that would be like. It's kind of a passing chord. So, you know, it sounds okay. Just if you're going to play the B minor this way, you don't play the high E, and don't play the A string. So when you hear that 2nd string, pull your hand away. G, D, that repeats. D, B minor, G, back to D. And then, so that's the first chord progression you need to know for this song, because that repeats a lot. Now the 2nd chord progression is when it goes D to B minor to G. Sure. At a certain point, she goes into the chorus. So you played the D, B minor, G. Then when it starts going to chorus, you play E7. And then it goes to G. Not E7, G, E7, G, E7, as it goes back and forth like 10 times, or you know, something like that. And then there it goes into a further the payoff of the chorus. So after going G to E7, that's the second chord progression you have to know. Okay, and we're just playing that with 2 fingers, the E7. And I played the G with just 2 fingers. After doing that like 8-10 times, the final chord progression you need to know for the song, and then you'll be done, is D. It's not A to U, G. Not going to stop. D, A, C, G, and that repeats and repeats as many times as you want to, and then it goes, so just give up. Song's over. All right, so before I put this lesson up, I looked around at different. There was no videos, but I looked at some written ones, and they were completely wrong. And most of it centered around the D sus riff. I don't know why, but it's relatively simple. So have fun with that song. If you want more Aimee Mann, let me know, because I could play Aimee Mann all day, every day. So leave a comment if you want me to do more, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with the channel. All right, bye-bye. Oh, hey, what if you want to play lead on this? Well, your best bet is, where everything's in D on this song. You could play your B minor pentatonic at the in the 7th position. You could play it here at the 2nd position with 5th string root. Now that's going to get you 90% of the way there. You might have to add a few notes here and there, but if you want to play lead, that's what I'd suggest. Okay, you can play it at the 14th fret too. All right, bye.